Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next to. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro USD for Monday. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. My dear friends, this is the Forex chart of Euro USD in front of us. Before I proceed with the video, I would like to clearly mention that number of trading opportunities on the chart of Euro USD are very less. So as a result, I will try to keep the video short, and if I miss anything, please write down in the comment section. I would love to learn. So first of all, if you look at the chart of DXY US dollar currency index, then we can clearly see that after the falling wedge pattern and after the failed attempt for a breakout, DXY is right now trading inside a range. The range of DXY right now is 102.25 and 102.65. This is the current range of DXY. And as we have been discussing for the last couple of days, that though DXY is trying to recover, but we cannot deny the fact that both fundamentally and technically DXY is not very bullish right now. Okay, so the sentiment is kind of bearish. So if DXY tries to recover also, the breakout may not sustain, the recovery may not sustain, because for any recovery we need a fundamental factor, and which we don't have yet. In the coming days, if any news comes up as a backup, then that's a different chapter, but on today we don't have anything as such. Okay. So in the coming days or by Monday, Tuesday, there is a possibility that DXY may go down again. And if DXY starts falling again, the last support of 100.80 will still be there. And then we have 100.50. These two are the support levels on the chart of DXY. If DXY falls below 101.65. Okay, and if DXY tries to show some upside, the road will not be easy. We have multiple resistances around 102.80, then 103.50, etc. So this is all about DXY. Now Euro USD. If you are already holding a buy position on the chart of Euro USD, be on the trade, no need to exit, because we can clearly see that Euro USD is trading inside an upward channel. Upward channel means good chance, good possibility of further upside. But the problem that I see on the chart of Euro USD is that though Euro USD is trading inside the channel, but still there is not much buying power on the chart. You can clearly see that Euro USD is crawling. For the last couple of days, there is not a good amount of movement on the chart of Euro dollar. So to be honest, I have not taken any buy position on Euro USD, and I think that there is a downside possible on the chart. Okay, there is a downside possible on the chart of Euro USD, because for the last couple of days, though Euro USD is trying to respect the support here, but the buying power is missing. So as a result, we could not see any proper bounce, just like this. Okay, and whenever the buying power is missing, at one point the buyers surrender, but the buyers lose the interest, and then we usually get to see some red candles or a big red candle. So here we can also see that if we remove the trend line, then the market is also getting additional support from the 100 moving average here. So my dear friend, if Euro USD on Monday breaks the 100 moving average and starts falling, it can be below 1.0930. Okay, 1.0930. If Euro USD moves falls below this trend line, moving average, okay, I think you can go for a sell position as well. The next support on the chart of Euro USD is around 1.0880 to 1.0855. This is the next support on the chart of Euro USD, 1.0800, 1.0855. If Euro USD breaks 1.0930 level, I think with proper risk management we can look for a sell position, and our target will be 1.0800. And if we see that market is taking support as per expectation, if we see that after hitting the support level, market is showing price rejection from below, market is showing hammer kind of a pattern or good anything. Okay, so we can go for a buy position and support as well. But right now, though market is crawling, but still it is not very safe for us to enter in this present level. Personally, I have not taken buy position and I will not take any buy position yet. On Monday, due to any weekend news, if market shows an upside, then that's a different chapter. But right now, we don't have any news yet. Okay, so as a result, I'm not very positive on the chart of Euro USD. Let's wait and watch, and let's wait for the news yet. And you can also be in touch with investing.com FX Trade Daily FX for any recent updates. If any news comes up, then we can see some upside on the chart of Euro USD. But right now, we don't have any news yet, so there's a good possibility that market may break the channel and market may start falling. I'm not talking about a trend reversal, but yes, a downside. Okay, a temporary downside is possible, and if that comes, I may look for some sell opportunity with proper risk management. But yes, my dear friend, do not gamble with your hard-earned money. Keep in mind, overall the market is an uptrend, so follow strict risk management. Do not risk more than 1 to 2% of your capital. Okay, so these are the only two trading opportunities that I see on the chart of Euro USD right now. And as the market is trading inside an upward channel, so as a result, I will not be recommending any resistance or selling opportunities inside the channel. That can be a little bit risky. And especially for the last couple of months, we can see that there have been many news during the weekends, because of which market starts acting crazy right after the market opening sometimes. So be careful, and as I always say, capital protection should be your first priority always. So my dear friends, do not gamble, do not gamble, do not gamble. Bye bye, take care, enjoy the weekend, have fun with your family and friends. Mm, so bye bye, take care.